Hey, welcome back, group members. Today I just wanted to shoot a very quick on-screen video because I think this one is important and it's sometimes very overlooked, particularly for new affiliates. So there's a couple of things that I want to just draw your attention to, because if you don't get these two things right, these are really, really key. You're gonna feel like you're treading water in the middle of the ocean, and I'll explain why. Now, the first one, and this may seem simple, but it's a big mistake that a lot of people make. They come into the online world and they're focused only on this here. That's why we all start, but this should not be your area of focus. Your area of focus should be this word here: clarity. And what do I mean by that? Well, it's connected to the primary reason, which is this, but we don't focus our mind on the dollars. What we do instead is we get super crystal clear in our minds about what exactly it is that we want to promote. Now, if you're new, I strongly suggest that you don't try and promote everything that's out there. And there's a particular reason for that. It's because you're just not going to be focused at all on anything. And the reason I say that is because of what is called the circle of focus. Now, excuse my attempt at a rather horrible circle, but this circle of focus means that all of your energy is there. Purely and simply, if you focus on one offer, you're getting clarity about what it is you're actually trying to achieve. It's part of your journey. It's not the total sum of your journey or your destination, but it really does help. To illustrate that further, if you decide to do 2 offers, then suddenly your focus isn't any longer 100%. You can see by simple maths that your focus is down to 50%. Now, you know what's coming next. If I promote 4 products, my focus is down to 25%. And it just keeps getting worse for every thing that I'm trying to do, to the extent that I basically can no longer do it because I'm getting no time to focus on what matters. Does that make sense, guys? If not, at any point you can contact me and ask for a further explanation. I have no problem at all. So clarity is really to do with what exactly are you trying to achieve. Forget the dollars. You really don't want to be focusing on the dollars. The dollars will come. It's Russell Brunson who says that all the time. Dollars will follow. But what you need to be crystal clear on is where you're going, what products you're going to promote, and stick to one thing, because that circle of focus, you want to maintain it as close to 100% as you can. Once you start becoming successful in promoting the one product, you'll start to learn a lot more about affiliate marketing and yourself and that's the time that you can start to replicate your success into other products. But by applying focus, you'll actually start to see what makes things work. Where do you want to go? This is the product that I'm trying to promote. And then this leads us on to another component, which is key. And if you don't get this right, then excuse the words, but you may as well just be pissing in the wind, because it's not going to work without you understanding. You can have your clarity, but who are you going to sell to? And this is where the concept of your avatar comes in, or your dream customer. It's super essential that you define who your avatar is, because if you don't define who your avatar is, you will not be able to find them, and the messages / content that you produce will not find the correct person that will read it and then in turn want to reach out to you, because your message is being sent or directed to the wrong individual. Now, I don't want to get too deep into what makes your avatar in this, but I just want to draw your attention that if you have not defined your customer avatar based on your clarity, and your avatar will change according to what you're promoting, by the way, because person's pains will change depending on the product, and you really have to make sure that when you recommend something to somebody, it actually does solve their problem. Please do not just sell something to someone just because you want the commission, because your life in affiliate marketing won't, you just won't survive very long, because people are not interested in people who are selfish that way. They become very interested in people who generally want to help them. So do bear that in mind. But if anyone wants any help on defining their customer avatar, DM me, and I will try and help you the best that I can. I have some templates that you would probably need to complete. I would send them to you and you need to complete, so that you start to think about it for yourself. Helping people is one thing, but if I do everything for you, you're never going to learn. So whilst I'm happy to guide, I'm also keen that you learn the concepts for yourself so that you can apply them in your everyday situation and get to understand why you need them, how you go about creating them, and then how you monitor and change according to what you're trying to do in your affiliate marketing world. Does that all make sense? So again, clarity. Excuse me. Need to get the pen. Here we go. So clarity, essential, plus customer avatar or dream customer are just two things that are going to make your life a little bit easier. Now, this is not the world of affiliate marketing, according to me, per se, but I've frequently seen that people who are struggling, spinning their wheels, as they say in the industry, these are the two things that are missing from people when they're spinning wheels, or they're not earning commissions. There's other factors as well, but these are primary: clarity and your dream customer. So I hope that helped, and I was hoping to keep it under 10 minutes, which it is, so I'm going to sign off now. Again, any questions, any concerns, drop me a DM or a comment to this video, and I'll get back to you. Okay? Thanks for watching.